Allah gave me and every prophet a special dua that was specific for every prophet to ask. Other than every other dua, there was one specific one every prophet had that will never be refused. And each one took his dua already. As for me, I left it for the hereafter. On the day of judgment, the people will go to every prophet and none of them could help them.
They'll go to Adam, Ibrahim, Noah.
All of them, all of them. And then finally they'll come to me. And I have a right. I still have a dua.
So he saved his dua for the hereafter.
He will prostrate to Allah a prostration he has never prostrated the likes of before. Then he will say things to Allah of dua and dhikr that he had never said before.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is inspiring.
In a time when Allah has never been angry the way He's been angry on that day. And Allah will say to him, Irfa' ra'sak ya Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, lift your head up. Washfa' tushaffa'. Ask me to save whoever you want. Allah gave that honor for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam out of His own mercy. And Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam will stand up. And what will he say? Allahumma ummati ummati. Oh Allah, my nation, my nation.